Get ready for some fun and excitement. In this video, we'll be discussing an amazing gardening technique called hydroponics and the top factors to consider when selecting plants for your hydroponic system. 1. Growth rate. Choose plants that have a fast growth rate to ensure a high yield in a shorter period. 2. Size. Consider the maximum size of the plants when selecting them, so they don't outgrow the hydroponic system. 3. Water requirements. Look for plants that can thrive with the amount of water provided by the hydroponic system. 4. Nutrient requirements. Choose plants that can grow well with the nutrients available in the hydroponic solution. 5. pH tolerance. Plants have different pH requirements, so select those that can tolerate the pH level of your hydroponic solution. 6. Light requirements. Some plants require more light than others, so choose plants that can grow well under the available light source. 7. Temperature tolerance. Consider the temperature range that the plants can tolerate to ensure optimal growth. 8. Disease resistance. Choose plants that are less susceptible to diseases to avoid contamination in the hydroponic system. 9. Taste and quality. Select plants that have a desirable taste and quality when harvested. 10. Space availability. Consider the available space and the number of plants you can grow in your hydroponic system to maximize your yield. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about hydroponics and the factors to consider when selecting plants. Now it's time to get started on your own hydroponic garden and grow some amazing plants.